Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having a great morning. It is very early, well, earlier than I normally wake up. I've actually run to the store already this morning. Today is Zoe's birthday, and we talked about in our last video that we were supposed to be at Disney World this week. So in hopes of bringing some Disney magic to her today, I'm going to change our apartment into the Disney store, and hopefully she'll be able to come home and shop for her presents. So what I've got here at the store, got some poster boards that I need to make into some signs. I got a Mickey happy birthday banner, and then some Mickey floating decorations. So hopefully we can jazz this place up. We're still working on a puzzle, but I think that'll kind of tie into the theme. And we're gonna make this place transform into the Disney store. And before I go ahead and put the decorations up, I just wanted to show you the last present that I got for Zoe. I think she's gonna love it. She's really wanted this for a while, and I'm really excited to be able to give it to her. So it's actually a Princess and the Frog ring, and it has the flower that kind of represents Tiana. I'm not entirely sure what kind of flower it is. Hopefully you guys know. Comment that down below if you guys do. I'm just gonna do a little close-up on it so you guys can see it. It's beautiful. I'm so excited to give it to her. I think I'm going to maybe do like a surprise unveiling of that for her. So you'll stay tuned, and you'll see that in here in just a few minutes. So I now have everything set up, and Zoe's gonna be home any minute now. I'm so excited for her to see this. Hopefully you guys enjoy too. I'm going to just tell Zoe before she gets here that I'm gonna give her the camera so she can start recording. Other than that, she has no idea what's gonna happen. So hopefully you guys enjoy.
Gosh. What? Is that supposed to be the spitting stitch? You're spraying Febreze. I love it. Aww. Baby. You're too sweet.
Welcome to the world of Disney. Here's your money.
Thank you.
And because I heard it's your birthday, here's a pin for you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, you gotta buy your birthday presents.
Buy them?
Yeah, I know, because we were supposed to be in Disney, that usually we'd probably buy your birthday presents at World of Disney. So I decided that we still were gonna do that.
You're too sweet.
So we gotta take a look around. So,
At what I don't already own?
yes. So this is the painting and sketches.
Well, I own all these paintings.
Okay, hey, don't forget your pin.
Oh yeah, and here's my little pin. And what else? And here's the pins. I'm pretty sure I own all these pins. And t-shirts. I'm pretty sure I own all these t-shirts.
But they're $20 each when you buy two.
Well,
You're gonna need that.
okay, and what's next?
We'll come over here.
Okay. Holy crap, you finished the puzzle? Well, I own all I own all these games and puzzle. So that's not it. What else? Plushes. I already have all the plushes.
What about the toy section?
I already have the lightsaber and the backpack and the basketball.
Oh, well, over here at World of Disney, we have the ears.
Hmm. I have all those already.
Oh, maybe it's the home and decor.
Oh, you got me my Princess and the Frog. Oh, I love it. And these coasters. Thank you. I love it. How much do I owe you?
I don't know. You'd have to go to the cashier.
Where's the cashier?
He's over there.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, I'd be your cashier. Do you need some help bringing some stuff up to the register?
Yes, please. I would like these coasters
these.
and this Princess and the Frog statue
Okay.
figurine.
Let's go ahead. Let's take this to the register.
Grab my money.
Ah, perfect.
I'll just give it to you.
Would you like a complimentary magic band?
Yes, I'll look at them. I think I'll take this one with the Dumbo.
Oh, okay. Sure thing.
Are you gonna put it on me?
There you are.
Wow, really good service.
We do work at Disney. Just providing a little pixie dust in every trip.
Ah, thank you.
Ah, by chance, did you have an opportunity to look at our pin board and see if you'd like to trade anything?
Let me look.
Have you brought any pins?
I have one pin to trade. Let's trade it for Mr. Toad's taxi, please.
Yeah, absolutely, we can do that for you. Here you go, and then your pin back. Would you like this with you or in the bag?
In the bag, please.
You know, you paid too much. I think we need to get you this last present.
Oh, baby!
Ah, madame, would you like to trade on for size?
Yes, please. Wow, very fancy. Oh, it even has a little Mickey on the side.
Oh, it does. That's a little blurry, but we can look at it in a minute.
Ah, it fits perfect.
Ah, fantastic. Right next to the castle. Excellente.
Thank you.
Well, you had just enough.
Just enough for everything.
Yep.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed World of Disney.
I loved it. Best birthday ever.
I love you.
I love it.
And tonight...
Making me cry.
tonight we're going to dinner too.
Where are we going?
Maybe we'll just segue from here to there. And we realized we got to the restaurant. We're a little late leaving and we forgot the camera.
So no dinner footage.
But that's okay. We ended up going to Cheesecake Factory. It was really, really fun.
Yeah, and it was delicious.
We had a great time. I hope you had a great birthday today.
I had the best birthday ever.
Good.
Because of you.
And again, like I said, I hope you guys maybe got some ideas. Feel free to take this. I think it was really fun.
It was fun. It was the best.
Yeah, I just think any magic that we can share with each other right now while Disney's still closed and we're just trying to get back into the swing of things, just share the magic. That's all I can say.
Share the magic, our motto for 2020.
There you go. But you guys have a good night, okay?
Bye.
Bye.